What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to label a paid partnership for any of your Instagram posts, specifically Instagram stories. Now this is a recent rule that Instagram sort of implemented to make sure that people can differentiate the posts that are sponsored posts versus people actually promoting their stuff. I think it's a pretty good move by Instagram, but you do need to know if you're a creator yourself and you are getting paid to post some of your items, you are going to need to signify this paid promotion where it's also going to tag the company that you are working with. I'll show it a bit in depth right now in just a moment. But this is a requirement if you didn't know, and I don't know if Instagram has any sort of repercussions for not doing it, but I assume that you could get your account suspended, if not permanently banned, if you don't use these paid partnership labels. So what I'm going to do is I already have something posted to my story. I'm just going to head over to that post. This also works for posts in the feed as well, but stories in specific that I'm going to be working with right now. And I have something posted here, obviously not a paid partnership, but I'm just using this for the example. And what you're going to do is hit the three buttons in the bottom right hand corner there, and then the second bottom from the top there, or second button from the bottom I should say, is edit paid partnership, or it might be add paid partnership. I already edited mine just for the purpose of this video to show you guys. And you can see there's a ton of different options here. Under brand partners, I just have like a second account there just for an example. But at the top there, what you're going to be looking for is the add paid partnership label. And it's just a lever that you hit on and off. Off here is just off, and there's not really any other options. But once you turn it on, there's a bit of information that you do have to fill out regarding the paid partnership. And whoever that you are doing the partnership with also has to approve it from their end. And then there's also some other things that you can enable and disable, such as allowing the brand partner to boost posts, etc., etc. I'm not going to go too in depth, but at least you have this tutorial to show you how you can enable it for now. And if you want to continue to play around with the features, you could do so yourself. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you did find this helpful today, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.